Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week number 2 of the ICPL. I am a bit caught off guard because this game's starting like really early for my taste. Like I usually take care of my games like later in the week, but we're taking care of it Tuesday due to some special circumstances for me because I actually got my team done early. So so this week we are taking on Coach Wolf and the Trostu Garados. So, looking at their team, they have a couple of like really big threats with Deoxys Speed and Annihilate. Deoxys Speed, I think the mods forgot to ban anything on it, so it has access to Nasty Plot and Psycho Boost. So that's a problem. Annihilape is also like a big problem, being able to take advantage of my Corviknight's defog and MUNKIDORI's parting shot. It's really powerful with bulk up Rage Fist because Rage Fist gets a boost in power every time it gets hit, and Annihilape it's very tanky. Coupled with the Alomomola wishes to keep Annihilape healthy, it's a super annoying Pokemon for my team to take down. They have Zarude, which is a pretty fast Grass Dark type. It gets a U-turn to pivot. I think it gets knockoff in this gen, and yeah. Next up, they have Sandy Shocks. Sandy Shocks is a pretty fast ground type. I was looking at it for Garchomp replacement, but I ended up getting Mamoswine. Well, I ended up getting Ursulina Blood Moon, but then I dropped it to get Mamoswine. It's a surprisingly annoying Pokemon. It gets Stealth Rock and Spikes, ground electric coverage, it gets Volt Switch to pivot, and not sure what else it gets. I think it's like Flash Cannon to hit things with, so gotta be wary of that for like Jolteon with Terra Ice, and yeah. Next up they have the Moltres and then the Pheasantipity to kind of round out their defensive core with the Alomomola Moltres. Although it doesn't get defogged this gen, it's still pretty annoying with Roost. And then you have Pheasantipity, which can use Beat Up, use the move Beat Up to pretty much guarantee poison anything with its Toxic Chain ability. It gets Roost for recovery, and it's both are generally annoying. Seeing a theme with this team, it's generally annoying. So then they get into their Terra captains with Noivern, Quaff, and Glaceon. Now, Quaff, it has access to the Anger Shell ability, which basically gets a +1 Shell Smash. And I think it also gets access to Shell Smash. It has Regenerator for its ability, so that'll be something to watch out for. I'm not entirely sure they'll bring it, but I wouldn't be surprised either. They have Glaceon as a Terra captain. The Terra choices aren't my first choices. I probably would have chose Terra Fire or Terra Electric to be able to hit like Corviknight and Skarm. Actually, yeah, Corviknight and Skarmory. I was about to say Skarmory isn't even in this gen, but no, it's in this gen. But yeah, that's Glaceon. It's slow special attacker. And then you have Noivern, which I can totally see with Terra Steel or Terra Normal here. I think if they bring a Terra Captain, it's going to be Noivern. And then Comfey is just there, I guess. I was kind of surprised this wasn't one of their Terra Captains, but Noivern's really good, so yeah. But anyways, that is enough of their team. Let's just go ahead and get into my team. So, first up, we have Meowscarada. Meowscarada is going to be holding protective pads to avoid the flame body from Moltres. I have Flower Trick, Sucker Punch, U-turn, Spikes. The speed investment is to outpace the, I think it's the Zarude, because I didn't want to risk a speed tie with Noivern. I have Spikes just to put pressure on them switching. Flower Trick and U-turn. Flower Trick's there for a nice stab, U-turn's there for pivoting, and Sucker Punch is there for the Deoxys speed. So my big plan with the Speed is to pivot out of something else, maybe the Vaporeon, because you can see Vaporeon right there. And just pivot into Meowscarada, hit a Sucker Punch, get the Speed off the field before it even has a chance to do anything. Next up we have Jolteon. Jolteon is a Terra Ice set with Terra Blast, with Volt Switch, Thunderbolt, Terra Blast, and Calm Mind. The speed there is for Noivern. I have 252 special attack to make sure everything hits hard, and then the rest was dumped into defense because that's what was left over. Pretty self-explanatory set here. I just really need to like hit everything hard, and Terra Ice Jolteon doesn't have a switch in. I think their safest switch in is Annihilape, and I could just like go into Corviknight hard and absorb a close combat or a Rage Fist, roost off the damage, and be fine. So yeah. Next up, I have Iron Valiant. I just realized I haven't been showing the sets on the screen. So Iron Valiant is a Choice Spec set. Moonblast, Thunderbolt, Psyshock, Vacuum Wave. Pretty much max speed, max special attack, a little bit of def investment. The speed investment is for Zarude. So, Moonblast, Thunderbolt, Psyshock, Vacuum Wave hits everything neutral super effectively. Vacuum Wave gives me a nice priority move to hit the Deoxys speed if it has a sash. And, yeah, yet again, pretty self-explanatory. Next up, we have Vaporeon, Standard, Skull, Wish, Prot, U-turn, Flip Turn set. Max HP, max special defense to take on the Deoxys speed, and the Noivern. Those were my main two concerns switching into, and Vaporeon just made the most sense to just have an answer to. Apologies for my yawning. I'm recording this at like 10 a.m. and I quite literally just woke up. My roommate's out getting something to eat, so figured this was a good time. But leftovers for general recovery, and yeah, this is just a standard Vaporeon set for me. Next up we have Corviknight. So Corviknight's going to be pressure with Rocky Element, U-turn, Brave Bird, Roost, Defog. I debated a lot over bringing Body Press over U-turn for the Cloth, but I felt U-turn was just better because I was going to be pivoting out anyways. And I feel like they always have to bring in Sandy Shocks on the Corviknight. So I go U-turn to generate more momentum, probably go into Meowscarada or the Jolteon to just keep generating offensive pressure on their team. And Meowscarada, Jolteon can pivot themselves so I can keep up the pressure. And finally we have, well, actually, Corviknight, it's the Annihilape answer mainly, and just generally the physical wall. Vaporeon it's the special wall, Corv's the physical wall. It makes sense to me. And then we have the Funky Monkey, MUNKIDORI. So we have Heavy Duty Boots with Toxic Chain, Psychic Noise, Sludge Bomb, Nasty Plot, Parting Shot. I have Sludge Bomb over Sludge Wave due to I feel needing to poison things a bit more to stall them out. So Sludge Bomb has a 30% poison chance. Toxic Chain can also poison. So I'm stacking poison chances with this, and yeah, I felt like that was going to be good for like a team with a Wish Pass Vaporeon and a really bulky Corviknight. So yeah, that is the team. I have Parting Shot to pivot and Nasty Plot to boost some special attack. If they Terra Steel on something, I can just Parting Shot out or hard switch out into Vaporeon if it's Noivern. And yeah, that is going to be the team. I'm going to be playing the game later on today, and hope to see you there. So, peace. Alright, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week number 2 of the ICPL. This is going to be pretty interesting. I don't quite know how I'm going to handle the Deoxys Speed Annihilape combo that Wolf has, but we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna get connected with Wolf here in a few minutes, and I will pause the recording and cut back to when we're battling. Okay, we are finally connected with Wolf. See their team, they bring the Annihilape, Noivern, Pheasantipity, Omomoa, Sandy Shocks, Comfey. Definitely not what I thought they'd bring. I'm elated there's no Deoxys. No Moltres either. So, glad I didn't bring the one tech on Meowscarada that I was debating on bringing. So, I think for this matchup, I'm gonna lead Jolt. I'm gonna lead Jolteon. MUNKIDORI looks really, really good here. So, jot down Annihilape, Noivern, Fez, Sandy Shocks, Comfey, and Omomoa. Okay. Hopefully he locks his team in. Alright, let's go. Let's see what happens. Good luck, have fun to Wolf, and hopefully we can win this. Leads out with the Pheasantipity. Okay. So, I'm going to Volt Switch immediately, see if it's Scarfed or not, but I think Volt Switch is just a generally free play. You don't really want to go out into Sandy Shocks immediately, because you could be fearing a Terra-Ice Terra Blast. I think his play always is to stay in. If he stays in, then I'm going to go Corviknight to absorb the beat up. And see if he is protective pads or not. So he does stay in. Get a little bit of chip on it. Okay, so I'm going to go Corv here. Hopefully going to catch a beat up. He brought beat up week 1. If he goes for Heat Wave, it's no problem. He goes for Toxic. Okay. I want to U-turn again. Does this thing even get Heat Wave? I think it does, right? Let me check. He switches. Okay. So, probably didn't have Heat Wave then. Goes into Annihilape. Okay. So, he has a Rage Fist boost now. This thing does get Heat Wave. Okay. But this thing has a Rage Fist boost now. I'm going to go into probably Iron Valiant to just threaten this thing. Okay. And it's leftovers, not Choice Scarf. So, Ape, lefties. Let's see. What is... They don't have a Moonblast switch. So, Specs Moonblast is really, really free here. They go into... Is that the Aloe? Yeah, that's the Aloe. Oh man, that hurts a lot. Okay. So, Aloe probably isn't even specially defensive. It has... Looks like it has some physical investment. So, yeah. Switches. Oh yeah, he has Fez as a Moonblast switch. Yeah. Okay, it eats the hit. I'm going to go into MUNKIDORI. Okay, so Aloe has a bit of chip. Not that I think it'll matter. Equates Roost. Alright. They don't have a Psychic Noise switch in either, so... I mean, I can just go for a free Psychic Noise. I think that's what I might do. Parting Shot is too risky for the Annihilape, but... Though I don't think he brings Annihilape hard in, but granted, nothing really wants to come in for free on this. They're just coming against this in general. He switches into... What's this? That is the Noivern. So he's Frisk. Alright, and that hurt a lot, so it'll die to a Sludge Bomb. And we have the Toxic. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so what do we want to go into? My play here is pretty much always to go Vaporeon, because Vaporeon is like it's a special wall. It could be a funny Super Fang set. I doubt it, but yeah, that's something he could be. The Toxic there was really huge. But yeah, Noivern outpaces Monkey, so it wasn't worth the risk on getting the kill. Terra's... It's gonna be Terra Steel or Terra Normal. It might be Terra Normal Boom Burst. Yep. Noivern. Terra Normal. Goes for Switcheroo. Okay. So I have a Choice Scarf now. So it was Scarfed. Alright. I'm going to probably... I want a quick flip turn here. Let's say U-turn. Okay. Vaporeon, its usefulness is a bit decreased now, but Noivern doesn't want to come in on another hit from really anything. And Jolteon, it's in Jolteon range. That's big. It's in Jolteon range and it doesn't have a Choice Scarf. So, Jolteon is actually looking pretty nice. If I can get this thing in on the Alomomola, we might be able to clean up. Not really clean up, but we might be able to sweep, to be honest. It all depends on the Annihilape set. So they go into the Alomomola. Okay. And he's Rocky Helmet. Aloe. Helmet. Okay. We gotta go, we always gotta go Yellow Eye here. So I'm thinking we can, honestly, I feel like we can Calm Mind. If they go Annihilape, I just Volt Switch into Corv. So, yeah. And Annihilape's going to be getting more and more chip on it. Because these leftovers are not prot pads. So, that's good. He switches. Into what is the question? Goes into, is that Sandy? Yep, that's Sandy. Okay. I want a Terra and Terra Blast. Because nothing really wants to come in on this. He could switch out into Aloe, but he risked me getting up another Calm Mind. I think he just stays in. Because he could be Yachi. Could be Yachi too, but I don't die to whatever he has. We need a kill. We need a kill. He could sack Noivern too. It stays in. Alright. See if this is Sash or not. Okay. Lets me stay in Terra Blast. It is Sashed. Okay. So... Focus Sash. And it quits Flash Cannon. And we eat it. Okay. I want to Terra Blast again. Okay, that's good info. Sandy... No item. Well, it's dead now, so... Jolteon... kills... Shocks... with... Terra Blast... goes into the Annihilape. I'm gonna play Volt Switch. Well, it's very, very specially defensive. Oh, he could be Bulk Up. That could be a problem. What if he goes for Sub? Quits Rage Fist. Okay. So, Rocky Helmet chip. This thing's getting chipped down more and more. Honestly, I feel like Quicken Brave Bird here. Because if they go Aloe, then like, yeah, that's fine. If they go Aloe, I can just Roost or whatever. I can't afford to stay passive against the Annihilape. Okay, so... Quick Roost, because they're probably going to Quick Wish. Yep. It's just a question of what do they pass the Wish into. I want a quick U-turn. They stay in. Oh, they're probably going to quick Baton Pass. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'll go into probably Jolteon again. They quick Baton Pass. Wish, Baton, Rage, Fist, and Baton passes into the Annihilape. Okay. I gotta go Corv. Like, that's my only play. He could try to set up some bulk ups, or just go for sub. In which case, it's just a matter of me just clicking Brave Bird until the sub dies, and then going Iron Vow and clicking Moonblast. This thing's full health again, which is a problem. If I can just get Iron Vow in more, I can start exerting some pressure. Exerting some pressure on their team. And they go for bulk up. Okay, that's a problem. That is a problem. Is it sub, though? Because it could be sub. It just goes for Rage Fist immediately. This might kill. Not quite. I'll click Brave Bird again. Oh, I got a crit. No. Oh, that sucks. I'm so sorry. I am sorry. Oh my god, that sucked. But, okay, so Corv kills Ape, with Brave Bird, Corv dies to recoil. Oh man, that sucked. Not like this. Okay. I want to go Jolteon right here. I want to go Jolteon, see if I can generate more momentum. Jolteon low-key might be able to sweep here. So Annihilape is 0-1 now. Corv went 1-1. And he goes Pheasantipity. Okay. It's definitely not over yet. Quick Volt Switch. Again. Man, that sucks for my opponent. Because if he managed to get a sub off, oh man, that would have been game. Well, possibly. I still had a lot of like fearsome special attackers. Like MUNKIDORI and the Iron Vow. So we're going to go into Cyanide. They get the special attack drop. But I'm just going to... Honestly, I just click Psychic Noise again. I don't quite know what they go into. If they go Comfey, they go Aloe. That's weird. I want a Psychic Noise, that way this thing can't wish. And I get another Toxic Chain Poison. This is... this is like the worst luck imaginable for my opponent. Alright, I want to click Nasty Plot. The Noivern's on a timer and can't come in. And a baton passes. So, couldn't wish there. The Psychic Noise stopped it. Your only play is Noivern. Yep, and there is the Noivern. Okay. So, can't heal because of heal block. Or a poison. And I'm just going to go out into my Scarfed Vaporeon. And see if I can just get some turns here. Quick Spoon Burst. Should live it. Oh, easily. Alright, so... it's a bit of Poison Chip. I want to flip turn out again. As a quick U-turn. So this thing is definitely gonna die on another switch in. Definitely gonna die. I need to try and see if I can get some Sparks up. But yeah. I don't think that I need him to win. So yeah. Alright. So they go Alomomola. Here my play is pretty much always to go MUNKIDORI. Because I can prevent the Wish pass, so yeah. Quick Psychic Noise. They quick Liquidation immediately. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna quit Sludge Bomb now. See if I can just kill the old boy, and I do. Okay. So... Monkey... kills... Aloe with... Sludge... Bomb. Noivern's back in again. I'm just going to sack Vaporeon. It's definitely not over. The Comfey can 100% sweep me if I'm not careful. I'm not too concerned about what Peasantipity can do to me. Okay. But Comfey definitely can give my team some trouble. I have to keep MUNKIDORI alive for the Comfey. Because Meow Iron Val doesn't want to come in on it. Because Triage boosts the priority of Draining Kiss. Okay. I'm just going to go Volt Switch. And hopefully we can do some work. Goes into Fez. Honestly, this might be an Iron Val range. Okay. I'm gonna go Iron Valiant and quit Psyshock. Psyshock. I would have went MUNKIDORI, but I needed some health on it for the Comfey. Because I can outpace and kill the Comfey. Not sure what you go into. I think you probably sack Noivern. We're up 4-3. I still don't feel comfortable because the Comfey just, it goes in on what's left of my team. I needed the Corviknight to deal with that. But I still think I have an out with MUNKIDORI. I hope. I absolutely hope. He switches into what is the question. Goes into Comfey. Okay, it has some Fizz Def investment. It's lefties, which is not ideal. Okay. So I need Jolteon. Actually, no, I don't need Jolteon alive. I can still Sucker Punch the Noivern with Meow. And I can still win the game with Meow. Okay. I'm gonna go Jolteon. If it sets up a Calm Mind, I'm setting up a Calm Mind. But I definitely think I need this. He switches. That was a weird play in my opinion. Goes Noivern. That was a weird play. It'd be even weirder if he sacks the Noivern. I wanna play Volt Switch. Because I definitely kill the Noivern at this range. If he sacks Noivern, then I think I might win this with MUNKIDORI. He switches. Probably go Fez. Yep, he goes Fez. Okay. I want to go into MUNKIDORI. I probably should have went Val, but MUNKIDORI exerts more pressure on the Comfey. I want to play Psychic Noise. Alright, I killed the Peasantipity. Now it's just Noivern, so Monkey kills Bez with Psy Noise. Okay, so now, ooh, do I keep, I don't think I keep Iron Valiant alive, because it doesn't, well, it gets priority, but the priority vacuum wave is not going to be particularly helpful here. I think you quick U-turn here. Like, I really think you quick U-turn here. But also, like, I don't want to give you MUNKIDORI yet. Ooh, decisions. I want to go Val. I'm gonna go Val. Shoot. Quits Boom Burst. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll live it on 3. Okay. To be honest, I'm just going to let you have Iron Val. My play is always, I think I'm just going to click Moonblast. Because it looks like you have more Fizz Def investment. So... Wyvern... kills Val with Boom Burst. Wyvern kills that with Boom Burst. Okay. Go Jolteon here. Volt switch out. They go Comfey, we just go MUNKIDORI. Oh, I think we won. I think we managed it. Because they'll go Comfey here. They needed the Choice Scarf on Wyvern to win. Because they will go Comfey here. I do significant damage to it. It was probably max HP, max defense. We go into the monkey. They get leftovers. I don't think a crit Draining Kiss will kill me. Unless if they get a healing psychic type move. But even then, I don't think that'll do it. Quick Draining Kiss. Doesn't do anything. Monkey kills Comfey with Sludge Bomb. And one more remains. Alright. And I don't really think I need to preserve any differential. I'm just gonna click the button. So, Wyvern kills Monkey with Boom Burst. And we just go Jolteon to finish the game off. And Thunderbolt. Had a little bit of hacks had to go our way, but we managed to pull off the win. Jolteon kills Wyvern with T-Bolt. And we win 2-0 for week 2. Took a bit of hacks, though I'm not entirely sure how much it mattered. He could have gotten a sub off, but yeah, that was certainly a game. But anyways, good games to Wolf. Sorry about the hacks, and see y'all in week 3. We're 2-0 on the season. Hopefully we can keep up the solid momentum. Peace.